Let's get started. Method 1. Verify game files. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Find Crimson Desert. Right-click the game and select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now wait for Steam to scan and repair the game files. Once it's done, launch the game and see if the issue is fixed. Method 2. Restart your PC. If the issue is still happening, simply restart your computer. After restarting, open Steam again. Launch Crimson Desert. Check if the game loads properly. Method 3. Install the game on an SSD. Make sure that Crimson Desert is installed on an SSD. If the game is installed on a HDD hard drive, it may cause loading issues. According to system requirements, the game needs to be installed on an SSD to work properly. If needed, reinstall the game on your SSD and try again. Hopefully, one of these methods fixed your loading issue.